Gen Z kid. Of course, I love cute aesthetic sound effects. And for my Gen Z girlies, I want you to use the same sound effects in your videos. Let's go!
Go to the music option, go to effect option and use the effect according to your video. Adjust it according to your video.
और इसी को यहीं पे समाप्त करते हुए मैं मिलती हूँ आपको नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में, जो कि है बहुत ही यूनिक। ठीक है, बाय बाय।